It's okay to fall in love, fall in love. And if you trippin', I'm gon' catch you. It's okay to fall in love, to fall in love. And if you trippin', I'm gon' catch you. You think 'cause my career, I do the things they do. I think 'cause my career, I'd probably think that too. So I can't blame you, but I can't take you, 'cause you got your own shit. I wanna take you, but I can't make you, 'cause you got your own shit. Don't trip if I don't text back. Don't get mad if I miss your call. Don't trip, girl, I get so whacked. I promise I'll never break your heart. You gotta believe me. Do you believe me? If not, you should leave me. But I promise you gon' be so mad when you see my face on the TV.
Yeah, we could go get froyo. I know white girls love that. In the past, your relationship was up and down like a yo-yo. Ours never does that. It's been a minute since we talked last. I had that girl and you had that dude, but I always still thought of you. Kinda crazy how you always thought the same thing too. Okay, we met in the summer, first day of school. I ain't seen you in a minute, came back for the summer. 11 years later, can't believe you let me hit it. It feels like nothing's changed, and that's strange, 'cause everything's different. You got a kid and I'm a rapper now. Either way, we both moved on and we